Welcome back to the show, guys. Now let's delve right into our Talent on the Rise segment. Let's meet Jamaican rapper Jacko.
What up, boo? Let me get in your world. I like the way you carry yourself and think you should be my girl. Your smile shine like my charm, and you should be the designated pearl hanging on to my arm. Looking real sophisticated.
My real name, Hubert Johnson. Jackal is an acronym, Jamaican assassin killing all names, you know what I mean? So I just wanted to be clear and reflective the moment you hear me, what it is. I'm a Jamaican, I'm a musical assassin, and I'm killing all names musically when it comes to this rap stuff, you know what I mean? That's what that's all about. My musical journey is, I want to say, twofold. I could talk about my musical journey here and what led me to here, you know what I mean? But my musical journey, since I've been back to Jamaica, it's been phenomenal. I'm getting great reception. I can't say anybody fighting me or anything. I just gotta let people hear the material. I grew up in New York, you know what I mean? I'm not afraid to say it. I'm a deportee or returning resident. I'm not hiding it. I don't run from that stigma. But I lived in the States from I was about 10, 11 to I was 28, you know what I mean? So that's where it's at. That's the accent. I grew there, school system, in and out, and I fell in love with the music, man. Fell in love with it, and it's just, and then, you know, I took pride in it once I found out that a Jamaican, Kool Herc, actually started it, so that made me even gravitate towards it even more. Producers I've worked with since I've been back, Y Rush, 3D, Delano, Renaissance, you know what I mean? Most of the people I work with are overseas artists. I got a song coming out right now, very, very soon, maybe next week after next week, by the name of Lately. That's produced by Jack Mode. That's a local producer. He produces for Yard Boy Productions, so look forward for that. Currently, I have like 3 singles I'm promoting, honestly, you know what I mean? I have Black Rain, produced by Poobs. He's, you know, that's out of D Block right there. Everything I'm telling you about right now is on iTunes, Amazon, all digital platforms, you know what I mean? What's next for me? EP, you know, some Europe movements, you know, because like I said, this Whenever You Want is getting some attention over there, particularly in Russia, and the phone's starting to ring. So I'm just gearing up to start moving out the country.
We have more from Sean Paul's and Alkaline's Gallus Pro in this week's music video premiere.
Where is my G?
SP. Yeah, lead, brother.
Schedule as usual, man.
Right there at the day.
Studio, check the weed link, raving. So the thing set, man.
Yeah? It's 15 minutes.
Mad something, alright, cool.
Hey yo, friends are good at this. Alkaline champ, all them a gallus. And the bodies, no girl, them one will it. Cross them off like a T-tattoo. Just like domino, jot them all in a row, them finna. Some man a pro, man a gallus, them finna. Because seed up is so, youth up to grow. Only for hot girl, we get out the road. Man a pro, man a gallus, them finna. Oh, they should know.
Me go knock it already and you don't know. Oh, some man a say them a gal is and no slow. We got the image, the bodies, we got the dough. Have your baby mother lock down a sweat and a just left a show with that cat me just a know. Say she ready for anything when me say she feel up. When me do give her the work, never know what feel up. It take a certain level, a gal is give me a bro. Anytime I'm on top street, a gal must cheat. Tear sheet within the first week. She did already from the first speech. Louis V pan foot her friend, I tell her say I no feet. She give me top in the front seat. Tell me how she want from me, it's just a son and then she complete. But make she know she have to compete. Bag a gal a run down the death of boss and you don't see it. Love we. Yo, me never know why me do no matter what one she not leave. Why you expect me to do?
Cross them off like a T-tattoo. Just like domino, got them all in a row, them finna. Some man a pro, man a gal is them finna. Because seed up is so, youth up to grow. Only for hot girl we get out the road. Man a pro, man a gal is them should know. 9:30, me go check Angelella. Me give her the passion and me give her the fire. Never want leave, but me that be check Cynthia. Because me promise I fi give her the power. Only for woman want me stamina now. And me not drop off that gun na na na. Kim on Suzette and all da na na na. Them a war for the da na na na.
Yo, that where the party? Which part? Oh, I know all these things. Who you know? The brown skin one, light skin one, dark skin one. Call one name. Me no know. But no. Me a jealous. Yeah, man. Don't go over that side. I'll be a buckle up over there. Please.
The girl them love we. Yo, me never know why me do no matter what one she not leave. Why you expect me to do?
Cross them off like a T-tattoo. Just like domino. Drop them all in a row, them fi know. Some man a pro. Man a girl is them fi know. Because see the fi so. You tough fi grow. Only for hot girl we get out the road. Man a pro. Man a girl is them fi know. They should know.
There's much more coming up right after this break, so stay tuned.
Manufacturers of vehicles are not necessarily the manufacturers of parts. They outsource in places such as Japan, Thailand, China, Malaysia, Indonesia, or wherever it is most cost-effective to do so. Visit Superior Parts today for the widest range of genuine and non-genuine, new and used Honda parts in Kingston, Maypen, Mandeville, Mobay, and Ocho Rios. Telephone 929-4410 or 758-0830. Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable.
Our spirit is at the beginning.
One more shot. One more shot.
Our spirit is at the end. Our spirit is born in Jamaica. Our spirit will always contend. Ray and the nephew, our spirit.